In fact, this tutorial is sponsored by Pacdora. Now, Pacdora is an online 3D packaging design tool that can help you create amazing markup from boxes to t-shirts. In fact, all sorts of markup, you can get it from Pacdora, and it's very, very affordable. So to purchase Pacdora, use my promo code J20. When you use J20, you are going to get 20% discount. So let's get started. Alright, welcome lovely people. Today we are going to learn about the healing brush tool. The healing brush tool. Now the healing brush tool is a very powerful feature in Photoshop used to fix or to correct imperfection so that it can blend very nicely with the skin. So you can see this image, realize that there are a lot of wrinkles, there are a lot of blemishes on the face. So we are going to use the healing brush tool to fix it. So you click on the healing brush tool. Now if you can't find the healing brush tool, you make sure you find the spot healing brush tool, then realize that you see it at the third option, the healing brush tool. So let's click on it. Then you make sure you go to the top bar here, you select it. Then here you can adjust the size. You want it big, you see that's very, very big. You want it small, you adjust it very small. You can also adjust the hardness of it. Then you can also adjust the angle. You see that you can change the angle of it like that, or you can also rotate it anyhow you want it. Now let's start to work. So first of all, what we have to do is to duplicate the layer. Ctrl J on the keyboard to duplicate. You can as well as click and drag inside the new layer to also duplicate. Now after doing that, let's start to fix the imperfections on the face. So what we do is that we hold on the Alt key to sample an area close to the imperfection, so that immediately you hold the Alt key, you realize that the cursor will change to a spot. Then you click on the area you want to select, then you release the Alt key, then you can come and just cover it nicely. So let's do this one too. You hold on Alt key, you click area very close to the imperfection, then you click to cover or to overlay. So let's do the same to all of them. So you make sure that the brush is a little bigger than what you are covering, either wrinkles or blemishes. So after that, I'll show you the before, then the after. So you can increase the brush. The shortcut is you can use the bracket key to increase or decrease. If you don't want to go to the toolbar, you can use the bracket key to do that, to do the increasing or decreasing of the brush. So let's see the before and after. So look at the before and look at the after very perfect. So the healing brush tool is a very powerful tool to use. Now let's get another picture and do it. Alright, I'll make sure I put the pictures inside the description box, the link, so that you can download and do the same. Now there's another trick that you can do that will not affect the original file or the original picture. So let's duplicate again, Ctrl J, or just click and drag and put it inside the new layer. Then what we have to do is that you have to make sure you create a new layer so that everything that you do will be on the new layer. Then make sure that when it comes to the toolbar, you go up, then you click on the all layers. That's the third one. Click on it. So now you are going to work on the new layer, leaving the original file. So let's start working. As I said, you hold the Alt key to select the area. Let me increase the size a little bit using the bracket key. You hold the Alt key to sample, then you cover. You sample, then you overlay. Alright, now let's see the before, then after, to see a very massive change. You can continue to work on it so you get what you really want. So this is the hidden brush tool, a very powerful feature in Photoshop. As I said, I'll put the link there for you to download the images, then you practice. Remember to subscribe. I'm Jason Upper. I'm out.